Ebusan for GC News, Mima Obibia Akwaba. Ahadie latest and hot news enkwa ena mede bremo. Enuti se wunya subscribe to channel dia bomodia se obe subscribe. Debe ya se o click the subscribe button no. Na wa bele notification. O ya nsa new video bia be upload no. When the first person na wonsa ebe kan sa video. Afi we na wa like video no, give us a thumbs up na afi share ma Ato Forson na when you be here na wo hu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana be mu anum. Afi yembura ye ensemo abeto yepno so. Eya branch ba ku bi o Wontumi TV radio wakoka nsem bi just misinformation just what they dada Ghana for eya batu beto December 7 na wakoka nsem bi afa ho ema sese a police for Ato and Safre na NDC for no wan betu just say a police for chi sa branch sanse some of dey ba no eya misinformation na yenhwe a branch any phone na fe yenhwe ensem a wode tudwa na fe eti eya Kevin Taylor reaction efa eya sanse no ho a branch on our screen so your friend Oheneba na siedu or Wontumi TV, Wontumi radio or no na wakoka ensembi abato ebeto na December 7 or chese ohwe ballot paper no so from 1 to 13 Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia NAD kan ewo ballot paper no so and allow Kojo Kyeremanteng de twato ase hokora na no na chese ya chibu mienu chese 1 to 7 no ye beto eno December 7 na just what went me to buy yes I December so one timi ankoto yes wontimi tuma Bawumia na omo Kennedy ye beto no separate days ya to aba wo krom ha wo tifie dui wato aba wo krom ha this was the first time maybe I wo to aba undim say December 7 ye to ni na mo pray for the brain na ballot paper no bia fo ni wo so ye koto aba na on that day e si den na wo ha betra radio so kase ya chemu mienu na from 1 to 7 no eno ne beto no December 7 na the akano from 8 to 13 you better know on a different day okokasa asemwe amanaide eno na ngofo bebu afunu a just omo call for his arrest eno na here police for Ato ensa e afre sa branch say misinformation just what dada Ghana for sansemwe betimi de oye ne basabasa ye atimi aba omam ye nyina ye pasomdwe ye pese sanema ne ebesi ewo manwe mu eno na here police for Ato ensa afre branch na yenkuti Kevin Taylor and some of the two yen se Kevin and Sammy beto na pronso de onfa ho nchewo ene waya branch yi pasa o se branch yi Jáil no ye de no etumu na Kevin ada ensem dodo na already yenkuti Kevin Taylor reaction efa sansemu ya ababeto Jáil yentiro.
A very, very important story, and it's got to do with these foods Omotiti radio so Ghana, and it's high time Ghana for the leadership, the police service, Dampare, and the Ghana police, it's about time that selective kind of arrest in Jáil. The Constitution of Ghana say, I was said Ghana Nibia to about the 7th of December 2024. Emra ewa Ghana bought sa asem no ho buying. Say nipa bi na adwene say obedada Ghana nibi oma Ghana nibi entoaba. Obetwa Ghana nibi ntro se Ghana ni no entumi nto aba se nipa bi na adwo se obe suppress Ghana ni bi se Ghana ni no entumi nto aba sa nipa no oye public enemy you be say body tuoku no, and that is what these people are doing. We mo no they are working against the Constitution of Ghana, and your constitution no is stating it clearly say obi na adwene say oye nyantimu po deliberately say the constitution ne kano opese odada nipa na constitution ade wo se boa nipa no ekotia nipa na saa nipa no ye chi na wo se yekuno every say saa de na nipa ne ye no ebetumi asei kebi mami kebi na ye no Ghana inti constitution no ede to clear plain inti say obi TV so na oti radio so na opese obre constitution ase because it say abatwo Emra Ghana Constitution is just say Ghana Nibia who kwan so to aba no e so to aba e civil right e was said there e was say oto oka ho ne yi omo a omo bedi anim and so bitina radio so na ye nyina ya tena se na aban ku a e friend EC e de eda abeto abonhu dewuro a kire Ghana fo nyina say ye nyina yanko on the 7th of December anko to aba na yemfanya den yemfa nkoyi obi obedi enim na se obi tewo na boapayo se ose oye journalist oye korinsani oye kwasie biba na ohyeda aka se obeda Ghana fo no sa nipa no osese ye body tuoku no If it's a sunny para and I say, or per se or day, or say Ghana kebi mami kebi no. If it's a nipebu ha, a yase omunya akwenyano, eko tuaba e yinipo bedi omenim infie na ede omenim. In this impediment, and I'll be on say, when I sebio, or blocking a month for obubeyi, and I say, omobechere, omajene, ewa ba ekotuma, o sadi pano, we a public enemy, I was a Ghana Libya who and Ajua okum. It's very important to say Ghana police, they don't joke with us.
But to commissioner enim say nyamiya aduma ombese Ghana for etu omusaba na omobeya mampeni na abato commissioner nhihye no otwe omusu ntonto ya balotoi se wan na bedi kan wan na beto so mienu wan na beto so miensa saa kwesi enipa edu miensa omoto abanom na unse abano ni boro dosu nti ya chemu mienu se ye dika to bidie ye wi ani ato bidie enti omo toso 1 to 7 no ana ye dikan ato omodie no na se dia abato no besi akoni de odikan a ye Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no ono na 7 December so mso gala de be 7 December ene eto aba enti Dr. Bawumia ye baloto ye no ono da number 1 enti 7 December ono de no ena ye dikan atom ye dikan ato nipa nso a edikan no ye wi ana enso na aka no efi 8 9 10 11 12 no muso no omuso de na ba beto ato aso sa enti 7 December de Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia aba no ena ye dikan ato bia ade achi ana se na mienu achi no ni abetu de otoso 2 ni abetu de otoso 3 da for ni atu de otoso 4 saa ni de ko enti nyame aduma 7 December ayamemenda anopa no nso pepepe enam se ye di kan atu ni padodo a wo mu ye mampani yo mba mampani adi no ye di kan atu ni panso no de ni ti no ene ye to aba 7 December enu so nti ena 7 o'clock 7 am ene be sha ase atu aba no enti aba no mo mu di kan no ene ye sha ase atu omo de na de ate ne se eni banso no omo di kan ye di kan atu omo de 7 December 7 am no ye di kan atu ba ko de di kan anzala de foforo e betu de otoso mienu de e da foforo de betu de otoso miensa e da foforo de betu de otoso sa ko bi je bewie enti de tianie se wan ko to Dr. Bawumia de ni bia edu de otoso tu ni na untubi ye ma wo kwan ma untubi police for soldier for
this guy is supposed to be shot. Jomoti Kumasi ye no sa brantie we ade echi no tikufuo nim interview kufuo afi wo de esi won de omuti Asante memu ye asantefo ahemfo omo so makọ school papa wo wiase proponent and exponent omo nyina te otie sa de we o otumfo osetutu otie Asante memu otie sa de we asantefo wo ho kwa so meto aba ye te Asante ma asase so ma ye informe asantefo ahemfo bantama hene wo ho ye wo eye impenifo omo nyina te Asante memu abrante wo na netikufuo nim eye interview Akufo say abrante we musa the question na ongina so enka nkyere Ghana for me enkoto aba ofiri kufuo ni nokotena radio so wahu de oye abana ye ekoto no chairman Wontumi radio no the National Media Commission ho the Ghana Police Service. This guy is not supposed to sit on radio again. Wey obi hu na najo so kuno because unim a decision you make during elections it will destroy your be like for 20 years. Sa otu nkwasiaba ya tu inti nipa bi ewu Ghana nkwasiaba ya tu inti obi pension nyina akọ wafem ewu nkwasiaba ya tu inti nipa bi eni ahoto kopim so obewu inti kwasia wetina radio so otena santimemu radio so a eye chema Wontumi radio asantefo ahemfo nyina se omakọ school papa chen ye impenifo tewo kofo te sa asem yo ena owie na ofred se brana me be mi interview. Oh, the way I almost misinforming, disinforming Ghana for. Sound of the Asante memo, MPP no. Mrs. Pathway, almost 80%. Almost yempreko ma. How do you do this? Say ya koto abana ujidi say ya to abana fair or candidate be winia. How do you sit on TV? How do you sit on radio and make such statement deliberate? We also a Caribbean could be kuna twatching because I buy a koto ababoni intend obi bewu techiman south your boni patuo because of misinformation ya baboni. Inteye den na branteway edan wuti radio so ɛyɛ den na mpanifo da wote asanteme mu a ɔmoma branch we da wote radio so ɛyɛ den otumfo say to radio so ɛte asanteme mu ɛyɛ asanteman hene na kwasia we da wote radio so ɛyɛ den otumfo ɛpene ma kwasia we da wote na radio so ɛyɛ den na mampɔn hene tena hɔ na nkwasiafo then it means say mo asantefo ahemfo na mo hɔ no misinformation disinformation ɛmo ɛna mo hyehyɛ ikyire. No wonder nkofo wetina radio so ka say yenti obia Mahamadu Bawumia santimu meka kire Ghana for abra na ye mehia na ye party ball nyum anka mehia betumi release statement aka kire santefo say menti obia no ana menti obia no e otumfo na ye party and no wonder tell mu ye din ma misinformation spread ye. No wonder say nipa bitina santimemu e ka say kofo na si kejetia abra otumfo say tutu ye ka say okoji loan abra otumfo ntumi ngi loan ma Ghana. Mention to me release statement. No wonder mention as anti-my council and kasa if it's a misinformation from what we are seeing and you chile someone him for no mushe chile mukahu and as ankwasiafo we say Ghana. How can this be possible? Why should we allow this to happen? All because MPP omodi nkwasiasema wose Ghana for tuti omunti. Yes, she say nkwasiafo bi say echi nipa omu fi we mu such dirty raccoons. Hwenanimu Shabema nim no kankan hwe nanim nipa fi wei nipa mu toilet muwa wei sa ejantrafo asefo ma wei kwasiafo wei ti radio so ade aye nyina ya tena se ahye date se ekoto aba ohu se yenuanama santifo ni bi ejimi na sanka ombu asantefo so me kwasiafo a eye den no tena radio so kasa asem wei sa asem wei odun kran a onka de bia e ka kire asantefo ni bi say MPP no omuhum bisa mu ejimi. And this is a clear manifestation of what they have done. Ayade no obi o friend who say oyensemtwereni na oti TV so ti radio so this guy is not supposed to go close to any radio station or TV. This animal abuaba way he is not supposed to go close to any radio station. Radio be about to say treasure tum. But ya man ho kwan and ankwasiafo asefo ma wey at Ghana, all because in the interest of party tea. Adia nyina ya shemra no kwasia wait radio so and na why den all misinforming for deliberately. Hwene hu fi hwene nim I saw dibini. Hwene hu fi hwene nim I saw dibini. Kwasia fo ma enyanka ma nipa peace ma ejimi fo ma motena radio so anam pesa mo say Ghana. Adentra MPP luzo abano omuni numbers omobu asantefo kwasia inta santini ba oya kwasia te sei abetena radio so dada asantefo nyansafo kwasiafo we when employ no enye chema Wontumi kwasia we when employ no enye the same chema Wontumi a or employ more sample kacha asantefo ahemfo so mo ya jantrafo enye the same chema Wontumi. And then the same time I want to me or ma more sample catch a tune for any asantefo ahemfo so mo ya jantra for and you one employees akwa we na etikronim na ahemfo danem kwara na nkwasiafo say kebi mami kebi kakra ye adwene ho yete ya na otumfo ndrechi otumfo ka kire Ghana for say mama yen kansem bi a edi hate speech bi a ebe say man no na kwasia we tene fichiri na odi nkwasiasam I say yenhu ye panie tokejeti otumfo te. So if this guy gets back and sits on radio, who should I blame in the Ashanti region? Sakwasia Weber back. Now Sabetina radio so who is supposed to be blamed? Because in Kakwasia Weber say otu for mamia and kadia chinkebeti. But what this guy is doing is crazier than anything else. It's totally against the democracy we are enjoying in this country. Inti nipa ben na betina ma kwasia we atina radio subiem. Why are we here today? Why are we sitting here today? I need his house number. I need where he lives. These people, they are not supposed to exist. Where one pensao, you be cool more to actually. Ghana for the bomb to they don't take care of themselves. They are so careless. And you see, say person Ghana bekoswa. Yes, you ma unya hoto Ghana da. Me see. Wa one person Ghana kebi mamin kebi ebekosu because onkwasia party lose power no wo sani pa no yamba we ninje Ghana da se to na o se boku ebobu okum if say Ghana democracy no is important to people like us. We want to respect. And you break the team at the send him and say the Ghana Police Service, Omatun Safreno. Dampare, I don't want this to be business as usual. This guy is not supposed to come back on radio. This guy is supposed to be prosecuted. Mate say, police invite Oheneba Nana Asiedu, a radio and TV presenter, in connection with publication of false news. Dampare, the IGP. This is not business as usual. This guy needs to be prosecuted and jailed. This guy is not supposed to come back. He is not supposed to come back on radio again in Ghana. The National Media Commission, that radio station must be shut down. That person is not supposed to sit on radio again. Hey, if this guy at the end of the day, Ghana running in India, near we say you create him in Mranye Juma. And this will be so fast can walk with Timutua or near bonnet. Because the Constitution states it clearly. Says so we are sad we are or say if you people fail to punish this guy, then the system will punish this guy for you. Yeah? My man can chi ni entiase. Asante ahemfo de mo so monka bibia yetia. The Constitution at least ye de ye wo chefa Constitution nim. Se mini chefa e wa asantefo Constitution ma metiase e asantefo Constitution. But about Ghana Constitution na ye nyina ye wo chefa wom. Sa kwa we asema watna radio so aka consistently. Sebio your Constitution na ka se obi ye sa that person needs to be punished. Sa kwa we ye nyina fi radio so Angelina and the system and the streets will have to take him out. Because I cherish the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana than an individual destroying all of us. It says, "Akwa we nkwa be say Ghana and the yenyina ye be kuna to atwene na Ghana ho aye." It is a fact. Intermediate, I am sending a very decent message to the Ghana Police Service. This guy is not supposed to walk. This guy is not supposed to come home. This guy is supposed to be prosecuted. The National Media Commission, this guy is supposed to be off air. He's not supposed to sit on any radio station in Ghana. Because to call yourself a journalist, you need to understand what you are getting into. A minute on TV can kill people, can destroy lives. We have seen it in other countries. Journalists, radio, the things they said at the end of the day destroyed billions and millions of lives. So we want to tell the Ghana Police Service, if you don't want the system to take matters into their own hands, for this guy to be taken off the street, you people should do the needful and make sure this guy is prosecuted. Because I don't know any journalist in this world who will do this. This is not an issue of an apology. Hey? The Ghana Police Service, some release the system will kill him. Some release the system will be kuno. And you people will be like Kevin Taylor, a prophet. Some release the system nim. So on some better radio, the system will murder him. I wouldn't murder him. The system, it will murder this guy. And mopa monto beto ade we. Adiana wa ye no. Me say, mo release akwa we call system ni mu a. You are releasing this guy into the system for the system to murder him. They will murder him cold-blooded. Because the system is angry. The system, it has been abused. The Constitution has been abused. This guy needs to go to jail.
Na Net2 Abratia wawo Wontumi ye TV any Wontumi FM. Oheneba oye me nua nsentwereni. Eye humble advice na me de ema wo no. So we publish a false news a criminal offense. If you don't know, I'm telling you today, as your colleague journalist, we publish false news a criminal offense. If you don't know, I'm telling you. And criminal offense there, you need expiring date too. Adia a criminal, be a discharge charges in a bowa, you need expiring date. So be very careful in your delivery. So kasa wa radio so na TV so be very, very, very careful. Be circumspect in your reportage. As a journalist, no, you are there when you sit behind the console. Yes, that year 24 years.
2nd February me menya 25 years na mo ma baby a ye sat invisible any ash ekọ nananom besere kwa abrochire no Oheneba mo na mo ma baby a tete na tete na manya bi epempam Wontumi musa ne be radio station makwa akofa mo sa asem ma ye adwuma wom ko woni experience bia wa adwuma nim eno ane sa woto ayampia na wokotena eye TV so national television so na wotum fotoro egu amanfo ani ekwa kwan a wo befa so a wo beto aba my brother some of us no we share ya bia ye be share wanadwo me watch my lips spiritually strong physically strong Timi Sroshi, I'm the fearless type. It is some phone to me radio ni TV wana mudi no etum futuro false information more publishing when you're very careful. I'm mentioning your name, Oheneba, I mean your origin. You see, be very careful. Because me second video now, me need the leadership of NDC Akasa, so we taking it up. Now I'm going to report to the CRD headquarters. Now you're picking as soon as possible for publishing false news. I'm more than number one. I'm more than number one. Numbers na karamu how to say. When I saw Oprah one. Oko America Harris no other one or we. Could be said baby ana a Trump or that. Yes, numbers in the two. Who would that one? Who best say your campaigner? Campaign on your number one now, and leave others. And stop throwing that dust into the eyes of the good people of Asante region. We name their warrior. So be very careful. I'm sending the warning to you, say, be very careful. South Force News now, what goes to our station, what? And some a year false and yanokre. And my culture say any false information be on radio or TV a criminal offense. If you don't know, I'm educating you today. If you don't know, a criminal offense. Yes. But that be a mekao. Say a bit afra, a bit sonum. Yes. The end is so original on her year. Now I slip up. Yes. 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 Mr. The end is so original. One show ye na one fiase. Tankole gabi gamugabi masi. Oheneba of Wontumi TV, Wontumi FM. Mr. Be very careful. False information now was spreading. Be very careful. Because we are not going to sit down and tolerate some nonsense in this region or in Ghana here. Yes. Watch my lips. The 900 million angels are on guard. I say be very careful. Yes. Now. Yawada ni fiada biya ayada. Sadano. And I'm a spirit. Sorry. Yes. And I'm a spirit and high. 900 million angels and in my fear film. 900 million angels and in my fear film. Shadia Koso a fear film. And your mama for a year a fear film. At exactly 4 p.m. I will start mentioning names. In the spiritual realm, no. Oheneba when you're very careful. So Oheneba when you're Bama to say a otchere Kennedy Agyapong. Misha Oma, Omo Bawumia Omo Tito from team. Mr. We are Bama when you're Bama say Kennedy Agyapong. We are Bama when you're Bama say boss Wontumi. We are Bama when you're Bama say Sofu Usu Bimpa. Be very careful. Yes. And I'm not ready to play that a useless video. No, I will never do it. And hear me more. But I will advise you as a colleague journalist. So be very careful. False news. About me the Kwaku Jáil. If you don't know, I'm telling you. Now check it. The minimum sentence. Yeah, better me the about false publishing false news. a criminal offense. If you don't know, I'm telling you. And if the IGP or the regional, Asante regional police commander say, the regional executives of the NDC, make sure, sir, make a video available to the Asante regional police commander for them to arrest Oheneba of Wontumi Radio, Wontumi TV as soon as possible for publishing false news. Yes. If it must be done, it must be done well. Yaya were 24 years, I got 25 years. Yakota baby, I say Kwaku Diatro, and Yenemono. Now, I mean, the moment you sit behind the console as a journalist, you are artists. You are there to educate, to inform, and to entertain. You have a quarter fidel, she said, Kotum Futurogu Amafuani. Who credibility and also what you know. Me can some Emma dear Chima Memeka say, Asama Mekaya, Memo Gabi Masi Atankoliga Biga, the powerful man at Atankoliga Biga, capacity man, the man with 900 million angels, Mekaya Adiachi, my Bible said, Mekaya Nanyanukure, Timofanchami, 24 years. I started journalism, Radio Juma on the 2nd day of February 2000. So 24 years. 2nd February, 25 years. Oheneba Manamoya, Seshimena Namuya Juma was Saturday. Aqua Monanya Kwaya Juma was Seshimena Namuya Juma. Yes, when you're careful. And never buy a tissue. I come the former Kuma say 17, right? I can't 17 days. Oheneba, I can't 17 days you. Now some of us here taking over. If you don't know, I'm telling you, I can't 17 days. Did you be careful? If it must be done, it must be done well. To do na send the videos na mame. I'm not here say me babedi watam. Here say me babedi uboss watam. I'm not here say me be cassette yaw. But they make a choice say false news, so publish false news. A criminal offense. So be very careful. Ebetimi de wako jail. Enye na ebetimi aye ochina. Be very careful. Esam na motrawa moka mofa mo hundie no enye bi ni we mo. Say was serious IGP in this country. There was serious regional commander in this country. Kiapeko dada. Unless Ebia na regional commander no wontie. Unless Ebia Dampare as an IGP wontie. Unless Director General CID wontie. So they make the leadership of the NDC say, "Mum make sure say, sir, Oheneba of Wontumi TV, Wontumi FM the video no, mo de ba ma sia de mpanifo. Now as soon as possible, o ma che no. Yes. Ya Ghana ha, apia said o mo ya chi, o mo de o mo fi Kumasi ade o mo konkran. So mo kai. Bobi ansa ya che no me ya che me. So what ya say? Me me yesentwenia. Wo de me kogina court wa. Abawe makoko akwa so wo de me ko bia I will be acquitted and discharged. Yes. Because assembly American bia no say me need evidence to back assembly American I will never say it. Make up. And now who will say pressure upon pressure, fear and panic has here in Asante region. Fear and panic on appear stadium, maybe I will be a million studio heavy. Appear stadium, me see me here was studio heavy. Fear and panic. See at yes, you must. Now, in baby, me say angels, if fear what Asante Matamu, I mean, angels only 900 million. Woman, you so buy. Woman, and fear BM. Yamu Yanina and Amadanadi. Fidiana Masumina and I'm riding in Amaseno. TMO, make us say, Yabaseno, me say Memo Gabi Masi, Atankoliga Biga, Baba Atankoliga Biga, Mammy Atankoliga Biga. Mr. Fidiana Masusumina, Messanina, and yes, 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 and the spirit was slow, yes. The enemy said, what you know, won't she na one she say. There be a mekache se 10 years na ni amre no. Enye bi ni mosini o, mi dem ye mosini ba o. Yes. I'm tarapanga. Wo so ho. Menye bete o. Ti eni se wo je ho no, e wo regi wo mu no. Wo hwe ye no mate ato. Esam ho na awie. Esam ya dan e wo ho. Dia mani hu na nya nu bi na obehu. Asade tie. Send this benya 34.37% in Asante region. Mahama ebenya 54.47% nationwide. Ya boba ba ni nyina Mahama obenya 54.47%. Oba weni agana fo nyina yembe hye wo mo. Etuo bi abaka dem. Obi atumi ntutuo. Ballot papers na mo print no. Enama kasa ni nyina abaka dem. Obi atumi fa hwenka ho. Kas na mo brand no obi atumi fa hwempie. Abane obi abato baako. Na mama Asante reje ha no. So obi kwato aba no hye long sleeves a mo hwe ni ye. O ma mo sha atade a eba fom sei no. No ma mo ano no mo timi atimi enu miensa no mo de ama o mo kowura ma no ma tom pretty mo de nyina akwa. Munya very careful. Atade no all right. So pusum. Mu se eti ama no ba ko pa gina ho ye. Okotwa bi. Nkofa blue kias. Ekotwa bi. Sammy kasa ne opanyi be baba e bedi nkomo. In all the 47 constituencies. E bedu region anam sadabi. Enyuma na kwase ko atumi nye. Ohiamwa. Isham ko atumi nye. Ono abo sapon ko atumi nye. Mr. Frank Mensa ko atumi nye anambadoro ina jekum ko atumi nye. Ono abo eye ewada akoko atumi nye papa no wabo adwuma papa bo region. Munyina bo adwuma. Bawumia betre ha 3 weeks Kwaku siaga. Jomama eba. Tia no won se angels ni bie kwa mu de ama Jomama no waba. Yes. Makache sasale si John Dramani Mahama say. Oba campaign won twaso na on rest onna. Sorry I kwa jema no pa onko massage onna aweni awie eye 54.47%.
Yo tifo weni and someone ababeto yepono so eye Wontumi TV radio eye presenter baako wakoka and simbi isusu say eye misinformation eno na eye police for ato and safre no eno na eye kabitila reactor wada and semdodo na ra edi meka say so wunya subscribe to channel edi abomodi ase obe subscribe say hade latest and hot news engwa era mede bro Afenyo don't like video and give us a thumbs up now fe share ma Ato Forson na woje bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana memharum oso betimi otchere wadwen afaye ensemo nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Watching, like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.